We would like to ask you, Doug and Jessica, what is keeping you guys busy?
These three.
Full-time job.
Baka mahulog sila sa stage. Wait lang. Yeah, so I have my regular basketball practice every day, and then si Jessica has her.
I'm a housewife, so I take care of my kids. I take them to school, and I pick them up from school, and so I'm busy with them. And then other than that, I also have shows and other things that I have, other commitments that I have to do.
Right. So, you know, you guys are known as Team Kramer. The identity is as a family. Do you often attend events as a family, or does it depend on the mood of the kids?
Most of our events, yes, with the family. Most of our endorsements are with the family as well. So, a lot of things that we do are with kids. But of course, we also have our events that is just Doug and I, or just me alone, or Doug alone.
Right.
It depends.
Does anybody have a question? Anybody? Question? Just raise your hand. Call my attention. You have a question? Come here, sir. Come on over, sir. You're a text model.
It's been several months already we've been using one of their premium mattresses, and alam nyo, kami kasing family, gustong-gusto namin katabi yung mga bata, especially now that Kendra and Scarlett, they sleep straight, so it's more of them. But there are times na 5 kami on the bed.
How big is your bed?
Yes, here's the thing. Maganda sa Uratex also is they're able to customize size beds.
Oh, so, that's great.
Yeah, so hindi kami kasya sa king size bed.
Right.
Alright? So ang ginawa namin, ang tawag ko Emperor bed.
Emperor.
Hindi ko alam kung yun ang pangalan, pero yun yung size. Kasi it's almost 1.5 times bigger than a king size bed. And it's super convenient for the 5 of us because we always like to stay together.
So you mean to tell me, dalawang king size?
Parang 1.5. 1.5. Yeah.
And you guys fit comfortably on it?
Oh yeah.
And with room to roll around?
Huh?
With room to roll around?
Oh yeah.
Because kids do that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's very nice. I think I don't like it too soft, and so it's parang firm soft. I don't know if that's the right term.
Yeah.
Which is perfect for athletes like me, and having a bed is an investment. So it's nice kasi when you go home, you sleep, you rest, you rejuvenate.
Right.
That's the time where you can get your actual rest, diba? So that's why it is a big investment for us to have a nice bed, a comfortable bed, and for us to have that energy to go through the following day.
You need to be able to sleep
Yes,
through the night.
sleep very well, diba?
You know, that's a tip from Doug. They say in your household, there are 3 things na dapat hindi kayo magtitipid. One of them is the bed, your couch, and your refrigerator. Diba? These are the things you use. Any other questions for Team Kramer? Raise your hand.